how to add audio in Canva. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add in audio to Canva. So the process is very easy. All that you guys need to do is simply open up Canva, and then once you have a canvas opened up as well, after that all that you guys need to do is take a look at the left side on all the features that Canva gives you. Click on audio, and when you click on audio, up top you have the option to sort the music by genre. Then of course you guys can also check out music from their whole catalog as well. So now from over here I can just simply choose any music that I want, or I can go to uploads and I can upload any audio that I want, and I can just simply drag and drop that audio over here. It's the same process for both of these options. So now from over here I will just simply use the audio from Canva. All that you need to do is simply drag and drop the audio over here, and then now this audio is going to be added underneath your Canva presentation, and you guys can just simply use it if you want to. So over here I can also drag and drop my own music over here as well, and all that I need to do is of course just simply keep it over here, and that is how you can add in music to different slides over here on Canva. And the process is the exact same for any music that you might want to add. So guys, that is how you can add in music on Canva. And also there is another way as well through which you guys can add in music on Canva, and that process is to firstly of course come back to the home page of Canva, and after that create a brand new video canvas. And then once you have a brand new video canvas, you can either choose to go with any one of these templates, or you can simply choose to proceed with a blank video. And then once you do that, now from over here it's going to basically give you the option to of course add in as many videos as you want, and you guys can simply drag and drop music over here as well. But doing this, it's going to basically give you the option to move the music around as well, and over here underneath you guys can see that you can literally play around with the music, whereas for a picture canvas that's not the case. Usually you cannot move the music around in a picture canvas, but in a video canvas you can literally move around the music to whichever section you want, and that particular section is going to be of course placed over here. You can add in multiple layers, and you can delete or change up layers as well. So guys, that is how you can add in audio in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.